Hello, this is Catherine from Accelerated Reader. Today I will be reading Flame and Sparkles, The Magic Within, written by Isaac Bowers. Before I begin reading, I would like to thank author Isaac Bowers for sending me this book to read on my channel. In the description below, I have included links where you can find and buy books written by Isaac Bowers. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Dedication. For my sister, Ciara, who insisted on a pink unicorn, which worked out great. Once upon a time, in the magical land of Pennsylvania, a curious and fun-loving fire dragon named Flame was out playing in the field when he saw a bright-colored rainbow. The most colorful rainbow he'd ever seen. It wrapped all the way around the mountain in a strange spiral of color and light. It seemed different. It seemed strange. Flame wanted to take a closer look. Nearing the rainbow's end, Flame saw that it went into the water. He looked into the water to see if anything was there, but it just stopped. Maybe he could find where it began. He looked up. He looked down. He looked all around for clues about the rainbow. Flame followed the rainbow all the way up the mountain into a cave. To Flame's surprise, he saw a little fuzzy pink horse at the back of the cave who seemed to be using a horn to make this colorful rainbow. Flame had never seen anything like it before. It seemed different. It seemed strange. Flame wanted to take a closer look. Flame remembered a story about a creature with one horn that can make scary magic. A unicorn! Maybe this fuzzy little thing was a unicorn. Flame wasn't sure that unicorns were real. This looked real. This didn't look scary. It was different. It was strange. Maybe that was okay. It was little and it was cute. And the magical rainbow was very sparkly. Flame thought sparkly was kind of cool. "Hi, I'm Flame," said the dragon. "Hello, I'm Sparkles," said the unicorn. "Why are you here?" "I followed the rainbow," Flame said excitedly. "Are you making it?" "Yes," answered the unicorn. "Are you magic?" asked Flame. "Yes, of course," answered the unicorn. "We all are." "You mean I am?" asked Flame. "Yes," answered the unicorn. "Of course you are." "Wow!" Flame was surprised. He never thought of himself as magic. It was different. It was strange. Maybe it was true. "Does that mean you can teach me to do that too?" he asked. "Sure," said the unicorn. "Let's go." Sparkles led Flame back to the pond to show him how to make water float in the sky, the start to a perfect and sparkly rainbow. Sparkles made it look easy. Flame found it quite hard. After 5 tries, he felt kind of sad. It was different. It was strange. Flame wasn't quite sure he could do it. Maybe it was just a unicorn thing. "You can do it," said Sparkles. "Sometimes new things take a little practice. That's okay. Remember, you are magic." We all are. Take a breath and think about happy sparkles. Can you feel that fuzziness in your heart? That's your magic growing inside. Know that it's there and trust it will grow with each try. Yay! Flame found his magic and made a water ball in the sky. He couldn't believe his eyes. It was different, it was strange, and it was magic. Sparkles was right. We are all magic. Unicorns, dragons, me, and you. We only have to find that sparkle in our hearts and trust it to grow. Sparkles made her water ball too, And together the fire dragon and unicorn combined their balls of water into one big glowing glob and threw it into the sky. The glowing glob exploded into the brightest, biggest, most colorful, and most sparkly rainbow that Flame and Sparkles had ever seen. It was different, it was strange, and it was fantastic. We are all magic. Flame and Sparkles could both make fine rainbows on their own, but when the magic of two creatures combines, there's no limit to what they can create. Flame and Sparkles work together to create magic beyond what either one could imagine on their own. It was different, it was strange, it was a beautiful, sparkly surprise that reminded them both of all the magic they had inside. And that felt good. For a day full of different and strange, this whole thing turned out pretty awesome. Unicorns weren't as scary as Flame once thought. They could be pretty cool. Flame dragons were better rainbow makers than Sparkles expected. Flame learned that magic exists in everyone, right here in our hearts. Flame and Sparkles were each happy to have a new friend, and since their magic was so much better when combined, they could not wait for the next adventure. Flame and Sparkles were ready for different, they were ready for strange, and they were ready for more magic as they ran off across the rainbow. Now that you are thinking of sparkles and rainbows, can you find that warm, fuzzy place in you? The end. Isaac is an avid reader and coder, explorer of nature, lover of video games, and a pretty good cook. He hopes to bring happiness and encouragement through his writing, as well through the connections he forms in everyday life. He wants you to know that no dream is too big and that you can start being the person you want to be now. He is 12 years old and is currently working on a third Flame and Sparkles and a new chapter book about a mysterious water creature. The links are in the description below where you can follow him and also find more books written by Isaac Bowers. Thank you for listening, and don't forget to like and subscribe.